Hello everyone, today I'll show you how to delete text from a PDF text box using PDF XChange Editor. Open your PDF file with PDF XChange Editor. Now click on this home option already selected and click here edit option and down arrow, and here you will find this text option. Click here. Now click on this text box. Double click on this text and this mouse cursor now showing here. Now drag and select your text you want to do and press backspace from your keyboard and say this delete. Also I'll delete this text and press right button for your mouse cursor. Also you can delete. Yeah, this is in this way you can delete text from a text box. Yeah, this is. Thank you for watching. Please subscribe, like, share and comment.